Thank you so much for listening to the animation section. If you eventually will be interested in getting to learn more about animation, I also have a kinetic typography animation course and a video animation course in PowerPoint. In the kinetic typography course, I prepare with you step by step this kind of animation. We also synchronize music behind it, so you get a bit of... So you learn more about animation, animating text, working with all that in PowerPoint and synchronizing that to music. This would be the first kinetic typography course, and the second, the video animation course. I teach 2 logo intro animations here. Those intro animations are meant to teach you a lot of PowerPoint animation stuff. As you can see, this is a little bit more advanced, and the end result looks like that. We have this type of logo intro animation, and then we have a second type of logo animation. This is also a bit more advanced, but I really enjoy doing this. Look what we prepare here. This is kind of for a gamer channel, and we have also music synchronized behind it, and then we make this closing transition. So I think very cool and interesting PowerPoint animation tricks here. Again, if you would like to help my channel personally and you would like to grow as a designer and learn all those things, you can read again through the curriculum to see what there is. Those courses are pretty short, they are about 1 or 2 hours long, and you can buy them with again a heavy discount by entering continue here. If you apply the discount, you will get it for the cheapest possible price. So this is all I can give you here. Thank you very much for listening out, and please proceed to the conclusion of this course.